Sawa, wakati nilipoingia.
Okay, when the snake came on the meeting,
Wakati watu walipoua hiyo nyoka.
And when the people killed the snake,
wakati sinema ilipoisha,
after the meeting was over,
usemi wa watu wanasema hivi.
People they are confessing that
nasema hawa watu sio watu wa kawaida.
Truly these people they were being sent by God.
Sababu tuliona kile anatusumbua kila siku.
Because they saw the snake was it had the powers of the sign of powers of darkness.
Usiku wa siku hiyo mpaka asubuhi Jumapili.
And in the following day, that was on Sunday,
sisi wenyewe tuliona anga imefunguka.
They saw even the environmental it has changed.
Tukajua ya kwamba ile nyoka ilikuwa na nguvu fulani.
And they knew the cause of difficulties that they have been having in this village. It was because of that snake had the powers of the darkness.
Sababu nyoka sio kawaida atembee mahali ya mchanga.
Yeah, because it is not natural for a snake just to appear from nowhere.
Na sio lazima itokee ndani ya umati wa watu.
Yeah, and then how could it came on the congregation.
Tukajua ni kuna nguvu fulani ilishuka siku hiyo.
Yeah, they know the power of God was there.
Ya kutoka kwa Mungu.
Yeah, above from heaven.
Tukakuja Jumapili siku hiyo tukapata watu walioko.
Then the following Sunday people came to the church.
Na tukaona hili anga imefunguka.
And they saw the mighty hand of God.
Tukashukuru Mungu.
And they thanked God because
sisi wenyewe tukaona tuko huru.
People they were being okay, people they came in the church and among the people 5 of them got saved.
Mpaka leo watu bado wanaita sisi manyumbani sawa.
And even the villagers now they are confessing truly they really saw the hand of God.
Kitu hajawahi kufanyika area hii.
It has never been happened in this village again.
Mpaka hata leo asubuhi.
Even this day today in the morning,
tunaenda kuombea watu.
We are going even to visit our villagers and we are praying for them.
Na kuna wengine wanaandaa maombi kwao nyumbani.
And right now we are speaking, people have started to arrange a group meeting of prayers.
Sisi wenyewe kama washungaji tunashangaa.
And we as pastors of this area.
Sababu hawakuwa hakutaka kusikia hata neno la Mungu.
Okay, before we were having the spirit of enmity, we were hating each other.
Bible tukaona kama watu hapa kaona hawa watu walikuja hapa ni watu wa Mungu.
But right now after the gospel was being preached now, the spirit of God and the love of God has joined us again together.
Sisi tukashukuru Mungu sana.
And we really bless the name of our God.
Tunaomba maombi kwenu.
We are saying that may God bless you so much.
Msisahau.
Never forget us again in your prayers.
Sababu tuliona muko na tofauti.
Because they saw that you are being sent by God.
Na Bwana wabariki sana.
May God bless you so much.
Amen.
Yeah.
Yeah.